ARTECHOUSE expands the possibilities of art and how we experience it through cutting-edge, technology-driven experiences and exhibitions. So this exhibition, for instance, PIXELBLOOM Timeless Butterflies, expands the world of PIXELBLOOM that we introduced last year, introducing butterflies that are awakening from their winter slumber and cascading around the walls of ARTECHOUSE and throughout the installations in the space.
As you walk through the space, it activates the different, spatially as you pass each display, the vines activate as if they're being almost like plucked like a string that wiggle, and they bloom at the same time, and blossoms move between the different displays, butterflies appear. So you get this like confluence of color and motion as you move through the space, along with playing and creating sounds. So it's also as if the whole space is this like audio-visual instrument. The transparent OLEDs is sort of like it adds like another dimension to the screen that we don't really have access to with a traditional one, where you can actually see what's behind it. And it seems like a trivial thing, but once you start getting multiple screens that are transparent and placing them in physically in a space, it really lets you kind of like do things that you wouldn't be able to do with a traditional screen.